Today I'm gonna teach you how to edit this into this. By the way, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get to the intro. So now I'm gonna teach you how to edit the Vogue challenge. Let's go to Google and then type in capwing.com Vogue challenge. There you go. By the way, for your convenience, the link is in the description below. We're gonna click the Vogue challenge Instagram template. So this website allows you to edit like this image in front of you. We're just gonna click make it. So we're here in the Capwing studio. If you want to get rid of this lady over here, you can click this black model stock and then click the trash. There, she's gone. Now we can select our own image and drag this, for example this image, and let's drag this into this. There you go. And then we can adjust the size of the image in order for it to fit. So we can stretch the image in order for the image to look good. So we can stretch this more. So I think that will look good. And then after stretching the image, we can send the image backwards so that the text will be shown. There you go. And now you can modify the text. For example, let's say trending fashion. There you go. Trending fashion. And you can also adjust the image size and you can place it wherever you like. For example, here or here. I'm just gonna put it here, and you can edit this as well. Oops. You can edit this as well. I will put give love to animals. There you go. Give love to animals. I think that's a pretty decent word for this magazine. There you go. And then you can also change the colors of this text if you want to. For example, I'll turn this into black, turn this into black, and this. There you go. And you can experiment whatever you prefer on putting. And you can also add text by clicking the text up top. There you go, sample text. And you can change the color as well. We're not gonna need this sample text, so just gonna delete that. Also, to add a Vogue effect is to click the image and then let's just click the adjust here and then put the saturation to -100%. And then that is the Vogue effect, and that will be your output. And then you can just click publish. So we're now here in the publish section. So as you can see here, there's a watermark, Capwing watermark. In order to get rid of that, we can sign in. I'm just gonna use my Google account. Okay, I'm just gonna sign in. And there you go. The watermark below the trending fashion word is gone. So now you can download the image. And there you go. So we can check our computer. Let's go to downloads. There you go. And this is the image. Okay. I hope you guys like my video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'm BlackShark. See you guys in the next video.